Hi guys, look who I have with me today, my baby Ruby, who's gonna be turning 20 on Valentine's Day. Summer is back in Texas. It's 74 degrees outside. As you can see, Ruby is enjoying every minute of it. Aren't we? Yes, we are, my baby. No wonder I don't get anything done all day sometimes, because you're just so irresistible. So irresistible, my beauty queen. I know, I feel so good, doesn't it? It's so beautiful outside. Look at the sunshine just shining in on your beautiful feathers. Do you see yourself? Henry, Ducky, Carrot. Who else do we have? Axel. Hi, Axel. Hi. Someone just took Kona and Snooky. They just brought them back into their play gym area to spend some time with them. Yes, who do I have here? Tawny. You're so beautiful. Look how cute this is. Henry likes to be by Tawny. Do you have a new BFF? Huh? She's so excited.
What are you saying? Hi, Tawny.
Wow, you really like Shane, don't you?
Good job.
Hi, Tawny.
Hi, Tawny.
Such a gorgeous day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We love you. I am in the process of doing a video for you on the bird room, and we have lots of updates going on, lots of new fun organization that makes it easier to take care of all of my parrots. We've got lots of fun things to show you. So I'm in the making of getting it edited with all of the Thanksgiving festivities with my parents here from out of town. I have not had a chance to get it done yet. So thank you for your patience, and we will talk to you in the next video. How strong those legs are now. Are they super strong? Step up, let me see your... That is fantastic. Beautiful feathers coming in. Look at that. So strong. Wow, her balance is amazing.